Read the story. Bobby has a puppy named Red. Red loves to go to the dog park. Red and Bobby play fetch at the dog park. Bobby throws a stick and Red chases it. Red is a fast runner. He returns the stick to Bobby. Bobby loves his puppy.
Yes. So what do you understand by the story?
I understand like in the beginning of the part, so Bobby has like a puppy named Red, and that puppy Red he really likes to go to the dog park, and then Red and Bobby play fetch at the dog park. So then Bobby throws the stick and then Red chases it. And then Red is a really fast runner, so he returns the stick to Bobby. And Bobby loves his puppy.